anaphase. Contraction of spindle fibers causes the chromatids to separate and move to opposite poles of the cell. The spindle apparatus begins to disappear. In animal cells, the cell membrane begins to constrict towards the end of the anaphase. Play the animation to see contraction of spindle fibers causing the chromatids to separate and move to opposite poles of the cell. Telophase. The chromatids arrive at their respective poles. Spindle fibers disappears completely. A nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromatids, which are now called chromosomes. Cytoplasm divides into two, leading to the formation of two daughter cells. The animation shows a spindle apparatus beginning to disappear and the cell membrane constricting to form two new cells in an animal cell. Importance of mitosis. It brings about growth since more new cells are formed. Replacement of old or damaged cells preserves the number of chromosomes as in the parent cell.